branches high, a world awake in colors rich and bright, such a wonder announced in the morning light. The forests speak in ways we cannot see, through roots that share their quiet harmony. A hidden language woven underground, where life connects without a single sound. The northern skies ignite in waves of green, with aurora lights and colors so seldom seen. Oh, nature, what a wonderful gift. You raise our hearts, you give us lift. In every breeze, in every view, this healing light in all you do. From mountain high to oceans wide, you give us peace that we hold inside. A living world so strong, so free. You give your beauty so snowflake falls in patterns all its own, no two alike in beauty softly shown, like fingerprints that drift from heaven's hand, a fragile art that mankind can never plan. The desert winds may seem so harsh and dry, yet carry life across the endless sky. From distant sands to forests far away, they feed the earth in their own special way. The scent of rain upon the waiting ground, a calming peace in every drop that's found. The breeze that whispers softly on your skin, a quiet touch that heals us within. For all is more than beauty we can see. It binds our hearts in shared humanity. It opens doors to kindness deep and wide, and lets compassion be our guide. Oh, nature, what a wonderful gift. You raise our hearts, our spirits lift. Through every sky and every sea, you show us who we're meant to be. In every leaf, in every ray, you guide our hearts along the way. A sacred world, both wild and free. You are the best of what can be. So take a breath,
let your spirit live.
feel every moment
This world can give.
that wander rise. of something